Hello everyone, this is the 6th episode of XY Global Service Story. Today, let's talk to our Laney. The story between her and her customer may help you customize your mechanical part and gain more effective experience.
Hi, I'm Laney. Today, I'm glad to share my story with one of my customers, Kayan.
Can you briefly introduce the background of this project?
Yeah, of course. My customer is from the UK and the project is for the low-altitude aircraft engines.
What is the final use of application scenario of the project?
Actually, the purpose of this project is to create a cleaner and greener world by the power system that maximizes the advantage of electrification, helping cultivate a new generation of air platforms.
What process is our product made of and what material is it made of?
This project is quite complex and involves a variety of different processes, such as the CNC, sheet metal, stretching, injection molding.
What specific requirements do customers have for the product?
The hope the product can be assembled well and achieve the functional effect.
Are there any special requirements for delivery function or appearance?
Yes, meeting functional requirement is the most important.
What is the biggest challenge encountered during the process?
Wow, this is a good question. Actually, the biggest challenge lies in the product's complex structure, which can lead to component misalignment during assembly after production.
How is the processing cycle and quality control guaranteed?
We ensure lead times throughout the standard process and the project tracking systems. Quality is strictly controlled under the ISO system, with inspection records at each case stage to guarantee consistent and reliable output.
What is the final delivery effect?
It surpasses the customer's expectations, leaving them thoroughly satisfied with the results.
Did the customer provide any feedback or suggestions? Did this project lead to subsequent cooperation?
Yes, they are very pleased, and we are now talking several projects.
What do you think is the most valuable experience in this project?
Yeah, of course, I gained a valuable experience in addressing manufacturing challenges for complex structure and improving assembling precision. I now feel more confident in delivering professional support in future projects.
Thank you for watching our service story, XY Global, your one-stop high-value, low-quantity mechanical partner.
Thank you. Bye-bye.